Hello everyone. In today's video, we'll explore the cereal production process, from the raw ingredients to the finished product. Across vast golden fields, modern marvels of engineering begin the journey of transforming wheat into flour. Massive combines sweep through fields, meticulously harvesting the grains. Harvested from vast fields, the golden wheat kernels begin their journey. A vast network of supply channels brings the finest grains to modern processing facilities. Giant trucks deliver the raw grain, ready for its transformation into flour. With precision, the platform tilts, unleashing a cascade of grain. The journey from raw grain to fine flour has just begun. Precision technology ensures every batch of grain meets our stringent quality standards. Automated probes meticulously collect samples, ensuring consistent quality from the very first step. This advanced sampling system is critical for maintaining peak quality across all production stages. Witness the immense scale of modern grain processing as colossal bucket elevators transport raw materials. Automated systems ensure a seamless, continuous flow, moving tons of grain per minute hundreds of feet into the air. Reaching its peak, the elevator delivers its precious cargo for the next stage of processing. The journey begins as raw cereal grains enter the colossal cleaning house. Precision screening begins as smaller unwanted particles are meticulously removed.
Small, hard kernels of various cereal grains. They possess a uniform, ovular shape with a smooth.
Automated processes deliver a consistent flow of progressively cleaner grain. The multi-stage sifting process yields an exceptionally pure stream of grain. From raw grain to perfectly clean kernels, ready for the next stage of processing. High-tech aspiration systems meticulously purify the cereal grains. Advanced sensors monitor the airflow to maximize purity. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss any exciting videos. This critical step ensures only the finest grains proceed. The sheer scale of modern manufacturing ensures consistent, high-volume production. Massive destoner machines begin their work, preparing the raw cereal grains with precision. Gravity and airflow conspire, causing denser impurities to sink away from the precious grain. Every pebble and impurity is meticulously separated, ensuring only pure cereal grains proceed. This vital destoning process guarantees the highest purity for our cereal flour products. Precision moisture control is vital for optimal milling, ensuring perfect flour texture. Computer-controlled systems precisely manage the water mist for consistent conditioning. State-of-the-art dampening systems prepare grains for their transformation into flour. Advanced sensors continuously monitor moisture levels, ensuring exact processing. The tempered grain is prepared for the next critical stage. Precision monitoring ensures optimal conditioning of the grains. Skilled operators meticulously manage the complex tempering process. Advanced systems meticulously prepare each kernel for milling. Continuous vigilance maintains the highest product quality. The journey begins as carefully tempered wheat kernels enter the colossal brake roller mills. These colossal machines are engineered for precise separation, not crushing. Watch as the high-speed rollers initiate the precise cracking, a testament to modern milling. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss any exciting videos. The initial break yields grits and coarse particles, ready for the next refinement stages. From raw material to initial output, precision and scale define this vital first step. Witness the meticulous engineering as each kernel is perfectly transformed. The freshly ground cereal flour begins its journey, swiftly transported through advanced pneumatic systems. A vast network of pipes crisscrosses the factory, directing the flow towards the next stage of processing. Harnessing the power of air, the flour is protected from contamination as it moves at speed. The transported flour now approaches the sifting machines, ready for the next crucial purification step. In the plan sifter hall, vast machines meticulously sort the finely milled grains. Advanced automation ensures flawless separation, yielding consistently pure flour. The plan sifters ensure that every particle meets the highest standards of purity and consistency. From coarse to finest, each grade of flour finds its perfect destination. The plan sifter hall hums with the rhythm of relentless, precise grain separation. The plan sifters deliver unparalleled precision for superior flour quality. Precision engineering transforms raw grains into the finest cereal flour. The automated system ensures every particle is perfectly processed. Different grades of flour are precisely sorted for quality and consistency. Advanced sensors and controls meticulously monitor every stage of production. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss any exciting videos. This intricate dance of machines tirelessly creates the foundation of countless meals. Inside the vast blending hall, advanced machinery meticulously combines various flour types. Different flour types, each with unique properties, are introduced for precise blends. Precise measurements ensure each blend achieves optimal consistency and flavor. Robotic arms systems and sensors continuously monitor consistency, ensuring perfection. The blend is nearing completion, achieving the desired texture and composition. A perfect blend, ready for packaging, exemplifies modern milling precision. Automated systems begin the crucial packaging phase, ensuring precision and efficiency. Finely milled cereal flour pours into each bag, ready for its journey to consumers. Once filled, bags are expertly sealed, preserving freshness and quality. Robotics meticulously stack the finished bags, optimizing storage and logistics. The journey of cereal flour begins with precise weighing and sealing, ensuring quality from start to finish. Robotic precision takes over as sealed flour bags are prepared for their next stage of automation. Every bag finds its perfect place, stacked with unwavering precision by advanced robotic systems. The automated system ensures every completed pallet stands as a testament to industrial efficiency. Every bag is a symbol of quality, ready for distribution across the globe. From single bags to towering pallets, efficiency defines every step of production. The heart of modern manufacturing: speed, scale, and unwavering quality. The cycle continues, a testament to the seamless integration of technology and production. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss any exciting videos.
You really love Mama's bread, don't you?
It's still warm from the oven.
Nature's best in every grain.